Imagine a furnace of unimaginable scale, a celestial forge dominating the void. This is the stellar engine, a living star, not just burning, but breathing, consuming, and creating. Deep within its core, a cycle begins, a rhythmic pulse that will give birth to worlds. We see it now, a torrent of primordial hydrogen drawn into the star's heart. This is the star's great digestive cycle, a process of cosmic metabolism. As the hydrogen gas funnels inward, the core ignites with ferocious intensity. Under pressures and temperatures beyond comprehension, atoms are crushed together, not just burning, but fusing into new, heavier elements. The core glows, a crucible of creation, where helium, carbon, and oxygen are forged. This compression generates immense internal pressure, a force that swells within the star, building towards a critical, inevitable release. The cycle is reaching its climax. Suddenly, the pressure becomes too great to contain. The star convulses, and in a violent, focused eruption, it ejects a colossal stream of superheated matter and newly formed elements into the blackness of space. This incandescent mass, thrown clear of the star's immense gravity, begins to cool and coalesce. It finds its own path, settling into a stable orbit. The first planet is born, back within the star. The immense pressure has been vented, and the cycle resets. The engine begins its intake once more. Now, we witness creation accelerated. The cycle repeats, faster and faster, a rhythmic celestial heartbeat. The star draws in gas, fuses it, builds pressure, and ejects. With each powerful pulse, another planet is flung into orbit, a new sphere taking its place in the cosmic ballet. One by one, they join their siblings, forming a magnificent, orderly procession around their parent star. An entire solar system is constructed, layer by layer, each world a testament to the star's relentless, creative power. The final planet settles into its orbit, and the star's violent labor is complete. We pull back to behold the breathtaking result, a complete solar system, planets circling their sun in a delicate gravitational dance. The star's core no longer builds towards eruption. Instead, it settles into a gentle, stable pulse, a quiet, balanced rhythm of fusion. Its new purpose is not to create, but to sustain. It has achieved a perfect cosmic equilibrium, a celestial machine now nurturing the family it has built.